Yo, what's up, people? This is NextForex Pro, and in this video, um, this is another installment of the Sniper series and the road to being funded. And so, if you guys been keeping up with this, obviously I'm still in the evaluation phase one. You can see that I was so close into getting that 8% that is required. Last week I posted my video where I took a few trades and I was pretty much pyramiding and that didn't go well, right? Because that trade, it looked like it was gonna get close to my target. I think I was literally about 5 points away from target, and it just didn't happen. That was with pound dollar, and damn, it's very unfortunate. But that's the thing about trading, right? It's having that mentality to just keep going. And what's crazy is that if it would just been that one trade entry, I definitely wouldn't have been this low back again, right? And so, you know, we make decisions and we have to take responsibility for those decisions, right? And I think that's probably one of the biggest thing in maturing as a trader, in taking responsibility and seeing how you can improve or how you can get better. And really, the only person you can blame is yourself. And so definitely that's my responsibility to, be able to recognize when it's time to do that and when it's not. On the upside, to finish the week, I did take a trade on dollar CAD. It was a beautiful trade with the trend, um, and that resulted in currently what's right now 1.54% of the account. You can see the win rate here, 62.5, average return per trade, um, and that's it. I mean, I got 4 days left, and for for this challenge, I'm obviously not gonna make it because I got 4 days left. And also, I do have an event to head out to this whole week. So, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take a break this week. Is what it seems like. I probably won't be able to trade. I'm gonna take a break from doing the challenge, and since I only have 4 days left, I'm gonna be able to start the new one, right? Because it's pretty much once you pay for this one time, as long as you're above um, as long as you're above and you're a profit, to my understanding, my Forex one should give you another account, and then pretty much the 30 days start again, and you keep going. So I'm just gonna keep going, and this is already gonna be the second time that I start again. But like I said, right, you don't have to pay as long as you're profitable and you're above in the account. Then they're gonna let you. They'll give you pretty much the account for free. I mean, obviously you already paid for it, but what I mean is that you don't have to pay for it again, right? You pretty much just continue as long as you're profitable. They continue to provide you with the evaluation phase one beginning stages, and then after you pass that, then you continue on with phase two, and then once you pass phase two, then the funded gets rolling. Until then, I'm just gonna keep my head up. It's all part of the probabilities and the ability for me to judge the market in a proper way. Not only was this loss in against my bias, and that's like I said, it's just a learning phase, and it is what it is. So, I may have overlooked, trying to take a long when the market was telling me to short or look for a short instead, right? If I'm gonna reach for targets that that are a little bit more extended. I didn't think I was overreaching. I thought it was a pretty good area. However, based on the market conditions, it just wasn't making any higher highs, and that's what as a trader, I think it all just comes with the territory, and once you evolve, I think it's better to recognize. And one thing for sure though is I'm gonna make it a goal to go with trend, and I'm gonna continue making the videos. These last few videos, I was actually showing you guys how to kind of ping pong your way through doing top to down analysis from the weekly to the daily. And if you guys enjoyed that, It was pretty awesome. Now, obviously, you can see here I have a lot more stuff going on the charts. I am pretty much just price action trader here. It's just I like to add a bunch of notes on my charts while I'm trading on a day-to-day basis, and then obviously I draw my midnight, and obviously this is um, my New York opening, and this is a midnight opening. And then everything else are just levels where market can get up into. My squares here are in, this one is an imbalance where market could have gone up in there. This was actually on Friday, the one that I was looking at. And these trades, definitely I was looking to short the market on euro dollar for Friday, but I wanted this to get up in here, and so it was doing everything that I was expecting this to do. However, like I said, I wanted this to come up in here. What's crazy cool about this is that even we still took out buy stops here, buy sell liquidity, and you can see the market pushing lower. And this is what ICT talks about in one of his in the ICT mentorship 2022, that once you get this moment of opportunity, you can see that every FVG fair value gap after that becomes an opportunity to take a trade and be able to kill it literally in the markets. And so here's an FVG here, FVG there, FVG there. You can see everything was just going lower, 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 and lower. And then we got this 0.50%, negative 50% of the move. And I know I drew this one here. I don't remember why. I think my charts are a little wonky right now. I haven't. I may not be connected, but I'm not gonna get into this video. It's just really for the for just giving you guys an update on the account and how things are going. We're gonna keep moving forward. Like I said, this week is gonna be an off week for me as I won't be able to trade. I may be watching the markets for a little bit. The thing is that I won't be able to trade my usual New York time zone, the full time zone of it. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do my best, and it's kind of gonna be a either yes I trade or I don't trade. But I'm really leaning towards more of the may not be able to trade. And like I said, either way, I only have 4 days left here, I believe. Weekends count, so today counts as 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, today's counts as 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So till Wednesday, I'll have for this one. Yeah, I may just, like I said, I may just not trade, give myself that little mental break, and hit it hard again for the new month of October, and get ready to trade for that. And obviously, I'm gonna be starting with a new evaluation phase, and start new again, and get that, hopefully get that up to the 8% profit target, and then be able to continue on to phase 2, and then hopefully get funded. At this point, like I said, I'm gonna keep rolling with the punches and just gotta keep going. So if you guys are enjoying my journey, definitely like and follow, and have a good one.